Welcome to our quick training on how to embed YouTube videos in your TechPage 1 post. There are two methods that you can use to embed a video, so it's up to you whichever you prefer. The first of those is using our Insert YouTube Video toolbar, and the other is directly adding the embed code to your blog post. So I'm going to show you each of those methods, and then you can decide which of those you prefer, which you want to use. So I came into one of Nicole's posts that was one of the first to go live on the site, so there's probably not a lot of visitors to it, so I can add a video, then delete the video, and nobody will probably notice, hopefully. So the first thing that we're going to do is insert a video with this little button. What you need to do is go to YouTube and find the video that you want to add. So because this is a blog post about Microsoft Exchange, I'm going to just come in here and grab Microsoft Exchange versus Gmail. First thing that you do is copy the URL. If this is the video that you want, I'm just going to pause the video because I really don't care what it's about for the demonstration. Select YouTube there on the toolbar, and you're just going to paste that link in. Now here is the space that you can determine the size of the video that you want. The default setting is 350 by 300. Now you can change that however you see fit. Related videos is a selection that at the end of every YouTube video it will show you related videos to that feed. So that's up to you if you want to enable or not. I generally select no just because I want them to keep looking on that site or continue through TechPage 1 to find additional information. Watch in HD, I generally select no as well for that, just because I don't want the quality to be so high that it won't stream very fast for them. I don't want there to be glitches, and by keeping it not HD, I can ensure that it will load a lot smoother than HD version. Autoplay, it's up to you. That means that as soon as they hit the web page or the blog post, the YouTube video will automatically start playing. I generally leave this off, but like I said, it's completely up to you. If the page is just a video page, you may want to enable autoplay. Show info, I generally turn this off. And then fade controls, this gives the video watcher the ability to kind of fade the background of the whole page and just fade up the video so that it kind of feels like a cinema feeling. I generally leave this off as well. So then click the insert button and it will add it right there. So to show you that setting, I'm going to click update on this blog post. It's going to take a second to load, and then I'm going to click view post so that you can see the difference, or you can see this YouTube. So it's going to add the video right here. You see it's pretty small, it doesn't take up the entire screen, but it works. So I'm going to then close that out and show you the other way that you can embed a YouTube video. If you do need to change this video, like you want to change the width or the height, just simply click the video and then click this YouTube button again, and there you'll be able to change the format to whatever you'd like. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to come back down. The other way that you can embed a YouTube video is by grabbing the embed code itself. Now this applies to many video sharing platforms like Vimeo or a few others. They generally come with an embed code that you just have to find. And this is actually the route that I prefer. And to do this, in the same YouTube video, you'll see a share button, and then you'll see embed. Now with Vimeo, I can't remember where the embed button is, but it's somewhere on there. There you can copy that code right there. You're going to come back to TechPage 1, and since that's HTML code, we can't just paste it into the visual. So we've got to click this HTML button, and this is basically the exact same thing, just not as fancy. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom, which is where we wanted to add it, and then we're going to just paste that code. You can then click back to visual if you want and see that it's added the video there. Then click update. then I'm going to go ahead and show you that post as well. Now, either method works great, so it's really up to you, whichever you prefer. But here is that embed, the exact same thing. There will be occasions where you try to embed a video, but it won't allow you to. In those cases, the video just won't show up, or it will give you a warning that you can't embed this video. That means that the creator of the video on YouTube has disabled the embed code, meaning that they don't want this video to be shared anywhere besides youtube.com or wherever it is they've designated that's allowed to share the video. In that case, we're basically out of luck and there's not much that we can do in terms of getting the video on our site. So you would have to then go and find a different video. And you'll know that's the case when your video doesn't actually show up or it does give you that warning message. Otherwise, most videos on YouTube, I would say 95% of them, if not higher, allow for the embed code. So let me know if you have any questions and enjoy embedding YouTube videos.